In this video, we will be covering dashboards in Open-AudIT and how operations teams can utilize them to display data collected in many meaningful ways. Dashboards in Open-AudIT provide unified, high-level views of device intelligence, compliance posture, and change activity, all in one single pane of glass. They are your home base for live metrics across devices, software insights, configuration changes, and risk indicators. The importance of this is that it removes the necessity of having to manually track these items or having to utilize multiple tools or products to achieve the same outcome Open-AudIT does all in one. One of our most popular dashboards is the default dashboard. Immediately, you can observe that from the data that has been audited, there are software and hardware changes that have occurred. You will also notice there are a number of vulnerabilities that need to be addressed, a new feature in Open-AudIT 6. These dashboards are designed to be user-friendly and interactive, allowing the user to see real-time updates and changes across their device fleet in different visualizations important to them, including widgets and charts. You can also utilize a number of other pre-built dashboards Open-AudIT ships with, available from the Dashboards dropdown on the top navigation bar. You can also create your own from scratch using Open-AudIT's dashboard creation tool. Dashboards are customizable to your and/or your organization requirements. This means that if a widget in one of Open-AudIT's pre-built dashboards is not information that is of importance, you can change it out to a widget that is. To edit a dashboard, click on the pencil icon to the top right of the dashboard. This opens the edit screen. Let's say we want to change one of the widgets present in the default dashboard. On the widget to change, click on the pencil icon to the right, then select from the drop-down. As you can see, we ship with a plethora of options to meet your needs, but that is also not stopping you from creating your own widgets. This can be done from the Manage drop-down in the top navigation bar, selecting Widgets, then the Create button, and following the prompts. Dashboards are also customizable across different organizations as well. With Open-AudIT, you can configure different organizations, which are responsible for different devices, say a business unit or a subsidiary. You can create your dashboard to only be shown and take into account and display devices and information for that organization. Dashboards consolidate your discoveries, inventory, changes, and compliance data into a customizable single pane of glass. That's a quick overview of dashboards in Open-AudIT 6.